Good afternoon, JCamps. Welcome to JCamps in the house. Today, we are going to be making donuts in an air fryer using jumbo buttermilk biscuit dough. So this is going to be a real exciting thing for us to try together. I've done this once so far and it went okay. So basically we're gonna need a couple different ingredients for this. The main thing we need is biscuit dough. It can be anything that you find at the supermarket. We just got the H-E-B brand. Then you're gonna need some granulated sugar. You're gonna need some cinnamon. You'll need some cooking spray. And you will need some melted butter. You will also need the almighty air fryer. They should all just kind of be hanging out right there. And then what you'll need to do is you'll need to take some kind of cap that's about 1 inch wide. So I chose a bottle cap, and you are gonna put it in the center of these donuts and create your donut shape by pushing all the way down and through so that you ultimately get a hole in the center, just like that. So now you're gonna do it for all 4. All right, fabulous. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out our tray for our air fryer, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray a little bit of you can use coconut oil, you can use olive oil. I wouldn't use Pam because it's gonna hurt the basket, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna spray that down, and then you're gonna take your pre-made donuts and you're gonna place them in there, but you're gonna wanna make sure that they're not touching because that will interrupt how beautiful the shape will be once they're done. And then you'll put the basket back in, and for about 6 minutes on 350, they're gonna cook. About 3 minutes in, you're gonna flip them and let it do its magic. While we are waiting, I've melted a bunch of butter in this bowl, and I've combined a bunch of granulated sugar and cinnamon and just kind of mix it up. As soon as we're done cooking the donuts, we're going to dip them into the butter and then dip them into the sugar and cinnamon mix. Booyah! All right, so as soon as they are out of that air fryer, really quickly, they're gonna be hot, but we wanna pick them up, drop them in the butter, and then, we are going to spread so much cinnamon sugar all over these donuts. They should look like this. Yes, just continue doing that. And there you have it, the most gorgeous donuts that you've ever seen in the whole world. Make sure that you have parent permission before doing this, or even better, do it as a family activity for dessert tonight. I hope that your donuts turn out amazing. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and we will see you later.